Hi, today I'm going to be making 2 no-bake Oreo pies in graham cracker crust. Pie shell's already made. I'm just going to be dumping the Oreo chocolate cookie pie crust on top of it. And this is how I do it. So, what I'm going to do is open up both boxes. Already washed my hands. Beautiful day out. Isn't it? Just gorgeous. Just took some pictures. Looks like there was ribbons in the sky and maybe a few X's in the sky. So that was always good. So that take good pictures. Dump that. Now it calls for 3 tablespoons butter or margarine melted. Well, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I never follow directions, so my hot hands and this hot fork gonna do the trick. It's pretty soft already. It says it takes 15 minutes to make it, so we'll soon find out. It is 5:05. 3 for that one, 3 for that one. We get a fork. And the big giant one. We will start mashing it down on top of this. I guess I could have gotten an empty pie container and started over like this, but I've always got to be different. Well, this one's breaking up, so well, maybe I should have melted it. Well, that's what we're going to have to do. I'm going to get a cup. Going to melt it together. When all else fails, do what the directions say. Why not, It probably shouldn't take 3 minutes to melt butter. Especially with the salt already. Nope, 1 piece is already melted. About 10 more seconds, I guess. Gonna put half in that, half in that. Go ahead and get this cup out cleaner to make the inside crust, not the crust, the actual filling mix. Isn't that terrible? My mind's blank. Okay, here we go. Use this big container. Oh, vanilla ice cream bucket. I got my pajamas on, but I got pants on. Kind of just chilling today. Yeah, it's gonna. Don't need that lid. That one's going on. It's clean. This apartment's clean. This is melted, so half the butter in there. Half the butter in there. Here we go. Now, there we go. Kind of just move this thing around a little bit. when I found out that sometimes just a little bit of milk or water can help a little. Doesn't seem like it's gonna hurt anything. So it's like we're making mud pies. For all you Oreo, no bake, Oreo dessert lovers out here. Like a big fat mud pie. There we go. And when it cools after being refrigerated, it'll be just fine, I'm sure. Do the same for this side. So what's this gonna be layered? Wonder why we're such big people in my family. Well, there you have it. Double crust. So it'll just be like a graham cracker at the bottom and then a Oreo cookie, the next layer. Why not? And then we're gonna get filling. Yay. So we're gonna, it calls for half of the cookie mix now into the mixture. I don't want it on me. The other one, we're just doubling it up. And then we're going to eyeball it. Half goes in one time, the other half goes in the other. And it calls for 1 1/3 cups of milk. So 1 1/3 makes 2 2/3. So that's almost 3 cups. So I use this thing right here, his coffee cup. 1, 2, yep. Just a little bit more. There we go. We eyeballed it. And another fork. We're gonna mix this up. I don't have a mixer. I always do everything by hand. It says 30 seconds with the mixer, but we doubled the time. Splashing, my mom would be saying, "You're making a big fat mess." Rest in peace, Linda Gale. It's gonna be delicious. Okay. Now, we want half of the crumbs. So what we're gonna do is just use this whole bag. And then the other half, we'll save, put on top of the dessert when we're done. We're gonna mix this up. Can you see it? All right. Now, I to dump half of it in here. The other half in here. get a little rubber spatula. Get the rest of it out. Voila. Sprinkle the rest. Half of this. Another half on this pie. We're done. It is 5:14. Made it in exactly 10 minutes. Well, 9 minutes. Made it in 9 minutes. All right. I love you guys. Have a beautiful day. Jesus loves you.